Welcome back, guys. Make sure that you have downloaded this file or your own which you would like to have, like an art picture. Here is me and my friends, and they think that I'm an artist. So let's have an art profession together. So let's duplicate this background to have an opportunity to compare an original image with our future artwork. Hit Ctrl or Command J, and then we're gonna go to the File menu, Filter tab, and over Filter Gallery. I just need to find the effect which I need, and it looks like an old photo. So where is it? Wow, look at that. It's like that is printed on textured paper. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Interesting. Whoa, glowing lines are a kind of picture on the chalk desk. So where's it? No. Whoa. If you have a home filter, you can become like a Terminator. Part 2. Just turn your imagination on and think about what you would have. Wow, wow, wow. It's a bunch filter here to create a sort of art exhibition. It's actually a great thing when we need to make an effect like, we're watching through a blurry window. But we need another filter. No, no, no. Oh, this is it. I found it. It's poster edges. And we can change this adjustment to make this photo this artwork more realistic. Just play with it. I think it's nice, and after that we'll hit OK. And here is a big difference. Art poster and the real boring image captured by the old smartphone camera. So the first step is done, and the perfect time to learn the effects. And else we need a frame around the artwork. To apply effects, we need just click on this effects below the layers, and here's the list of effects that could be applied to the photo. So we'll choose a stroke, and there's no wood. We need a wooden frame, so let's choose, for instance, I think this one is okay, like pattern around the image. And let's just make some adjustment for the best result. We can change the opacity, I need 100. And here we see the result. I think it's nice. And we actually need some volume to make it more realistic. Just click bevel and emboss. And here it is. It's more volume than it was. So my friends are gonna be happy. And we've applied these two effects, bevel, emboss, and stroke. And with effects you have a lot of stuff like overlay, color overlay, inner glow, inner shadow. It must be an extra cool effect. Gradient overlay, pattern overlay. Outer glow. Let me just add inner glow. Okay. And in some cases you can do something interesting like that. Let's just turn this layer off. And after that we just need to create a new layer by Command or Ctrl J from the background. And here is a new background. And now I'm gonna choose quick selection tool, and after that let's just select this guy like that, and Alt or Option to unselect, for instance this chair. I speed up the process. And in some cases, like in this one, we need to select only this area, and in this case I suggest to use another selection tool. It's magnetic lasso tool, and it works like we just hit Shift to select another things, and here is a anchor, and we just draw the line right above the leg, and like this you can create selection exactly what you need. And after that we just hit enter, and in this case we're gonna use lasso tool, and let's just select this area to add selections, these selections on the whole selection. So we have a guy, and after that we just go with Command or Control J to create a new layer with just only the guy. And after that we just need to apply a filter, the same filter. This is it, poster edges. It's okay, I think, and hit OK. And after that we just turn this layer on. And here's the guy, kind of from a cartoon, but we need the same effects as in our previous artwork. We need a stroke and inner glow and the volume of stroke. So thanks to guys from Adobe, we've got a fast way to have it. Before it, let's just group them, layer 2 with background copy, and the group is guy from cartoon. This is it. And all we need to do is right click on the layer 1, and here we choose the copy layer style. After that we select guy from cartoon. Let's turn this off and just paste layer style. So this is it. It's like an ordinary photo with the guy from cartoon. We've done. And in the next video we're going to cover the topic which helps you to improve your photo just in one click. See ya!